if a major commercial dispute is not handled promptly. It affects the nation's overall commercial environment and reduces Taiwan's international competitiveness. Therefore, major commercial disputes must be processed by a professional commercial court to ensure swift, effective resolution of commercial disputes. To implement the resolution of the National Conference on Judicial Reform, the Legislative Yuan passed the Commercial Case Adjudication Act and Intellectual Property and Commercial Court Organization Act on third reading in 2019. After the laws were promulgated by the President, the Judicial Yuan designated July 1, 2021 as the implementation date and established the Commercial Court, which was merged with the Intellectual Property Court and renamed the Intellectual Property and Commercial Court. The Commercial Court has jurisdiction over major commercial litigation and non-litigation cases, which the sum or value of the matter in controversy is at least 30 million new Taiwan dollars, or where a public company is involved. Commercial litigation cases can generally be classified into the following categories. 1. Disputes involving civil rights and obligations between the company and its legal representative due to business operation. 2. Disputes involving civil rights and obligations arising from the Securities and Exchange Act and Futures Trading Act. 3. Disputes involving civil rights and obligations between shareholders and a public company, or its legal representative due to shareholders exercising shareholder rights, and suits for the dismissal of a director or supervisor of the company filed by an institution that protects the rights of the securities investors and futures traders. 4. Disputes involving the validity of resolutions of the shareholders' meeting or the board of directors of a public company. 5. Disputes involving the validity of resolutions of the shareholders' meeting or board of directors of a non-public company controlled by or subordinate to a public company. 6. Civil disputes arising from matters governed by the Company Act, the Securities and Exchange Act, etc. Both parties agree in writing that the case shall be adjudicated by the commercial court. Commercial non-litigation cases include 1. Adjudicating buyback share prices for a public company. 2. Petitions to select an interim manager, appoint an inspector for a public company, and dismiss the said personnel by the Company Act. 3. Other commercial litigations or non-litigation cases under the jurisdiction of the Commercial Court, according to laws or orders by the Judicial Yuan. The Commercial Court is at the level of the High Court and adopts a two-level, two-instance system. The judgment of a commercial case is appealable or interlocutory appealable to the Supreme Court to ensure the timely conclusion of major commercial cases. The commercial case adjudication procedures have the following features. 1. The mandatory legal representation system is adopted to protect the rights and interests of the involved parties and related parties. Also ensure the smooth progression of procedures. 2. When an involved party, a related party or agent ad litem submits documents to the court, they must use the legal document electronic transmission system. Otherwise, the documents will not be deemed valid. 3. Commercial court judges may order commercial investigators to assist commercial cases. 4. To help the involved parties, related parties, legal representatives, agents ad litem, expert witnesses, and other individuals who reside far from the court participate in the proceedings. Technological equipment can be used for transmitting sound and images in hearing. 5. Preliminary mediation before the trial and adjudication are adopted for commercial cases. Experts are selected as commercial mediators for assisting mediation. 6. To enhance trial efficiency, the court shall discuss and formulate a trial plan with both parties and proceed according to the plan. 7. To provide parties with the opportunity to collect information in the preliminary stages of the trial. A party may request the opposing party to provide concrete explanations on necessary matters relating to facts or evidence within the period designated by the court or before the end of the preparatory proceedings. 8. Expert witnesses may provide professional opinions to assist the review of facts and enhance the professionalism of the trial. 9. If the litigation materials involve trade secrets, the holder may apply to the court for issuing a confidentiality preservation order to facilitate both fact discovery and the confidentiality of trade secrets. The adjudication of major commercial cases relies on the cooperation of involved parties and agents ad litem. Intellectual property and commercial court will also continue to improve the efficacy and professionalism in dealing commercial cases, and use the new adjudication system to rapidly resolve major business disputes. Strengthen corporate governance. Optimize Taiwan's business environment and enhance national competitiveness.